Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I am going to discuss about constructing Venn diagram with the variable x, and the other one is without variable x. Now as you can see, on the left side of the screen we have the word problem here. Find the value of x, then complete the Venn diagram below using the following information. There are 172 people in this survey. So 114 liked apricots, 86 liked bananas, 78 liked cantaloupes, 61 liked apricots and bananas, 34 liked bananas and cantaloupes, 54 liked apricots and cantaloupes, then X liked all of these fruits. Okay, so on the right side, I have here the exact information of the word problem, but this one do not have variable x. So in other words, this is the answer, okay, to the variable x, which is 25. So I'm going to show you the parallel solution, how to solve this word problem with variable x. Okay, so on the right side first, so always start with this information, okay, like all of these fruits, because this is the center of the Venn diagram. Okay, so I'm going to use red. Okay, let's make it darker. So this is 25. Okay, we're on the left side, we have x. Next, so we are done here. Next one, 54 like apricots and cantaloupes. So 54 like apricots and cantaloupes. So this one, this area. Okay, so 54, since we have 25 already here at the center, so all we have to do is to subtract 25 from 54. So we have 54 minus 25 is, we have 29. Okay, so we had 29 here. So let us apply it to with the variable x. 54 like apricots and cantaloupes. Since we have x here, okay, so we are going to write 54 minus x. Okay, I hope you can follow. Next, so going back to the right side, on the right side of your screen, so 34 like bananas and cantaloupes. Bananas and cantaloupes, so this area. So, okay, so maybe it's better to erase. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, 29. So let us erase some. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe I will use another color. Let's use green. Okay. So what is it? What it is? 34 like bananas and cantaloupes. Bananas and cantaloupes, this one, right? So 34 minus 25 is how many? Correct, 9. So now let us apply it to the left side of the screen. 34 like bananas and cantaloupes. So we subtract it. We subtract 25 from 34. So the same The same step, let us subtract x from 34. So we have 34 minus x. Okay. Next. So we are finished here. 61 like apricots and bananas. I'm going to use, let's try blue. Okay. 61 like apricots and bananas. This area. Okay. So 61 minus 25. We have 36. Okay. So the same thing we are going to do on the left side with the variable x. So 61 minus x. Okay. Next one. Okay, so this is 36. Okay. We are done here. Next, 78 like cantaloupes. So 78 like cantaloupes. I will use yellow. Cantaloupes. Okay, this circle. Okay. 78 like cantaloupes. So we are going to subtract from 78. Okay, 78 minus 29 minus 25 minus 9 is how many? 78 minus 29 minus 25 minus 9. We have 15. Okay, so the same step for this area of the Venn diagram. 78 like cantaloupes. So let us subtract. So I'm going to write on the right side of the screen. So we have 78 minus, okay, don't forget to put parentheses. Okay, 54 minus x minus x minus 34 minus x. Okay. Then 78 minus 54, negative and negative, so will become plus. Sorry, not 5. So plus x minus 34. So negative and negative will become plus x. So observe that this is 0 already. X minus x is 0. So now we have 78 minus 54 minus 34 plus x. So 78 minus 54 minus 34. So we have minus 10 plus x, or we can write x minus 10. Okay, so let us write x minus 10. Okay. Okay, next one. So we are finished here. Next, 86 like bananas. So let us use, okay, green example. 86 like bananas. So this circle, bananas, okay. So we have 86 minus 36. 86 minus 36 minus what? Minus 25 minus 9. Okay. So we have 86 minus 36 minus 25 minus 9. So we have 16. Okay. Maybe I will change it. Okay, 16. So let us apply the same on the left side. 86 like bananas. So we have 86 minus 61 minus x minus 34 minus x. So we have 86 minus 61. Don't forget, negative negative is plus. Then minus x minus 34 plus x. So again, x minus x is 0. So we have 86 minus 61 minus 34 plus x. 86 minus 61 minus 34. So we have negative 9 plus x, or I can write it by x minus 9. X minus 9. Okay. Last one. Okay, 114 liked apricots. So we have, maybe I can erase this. Okay. 114, 114 minus minus 36 minus 25 minus 29. 36, 25, 29. 114 minus 36 minus 25 minus 29. Okay, so we had 24. 24 people liked only apricots. Okay, so the same steps for with the variable x. So we have 114 minus 61 minus x minus 54 minus x. So 114 minus 61 plus x minus 54 plus x. Okay, 0. 114 minus 61 minus 54 plus x. 114 minus 61 minus 54. So negative 1 plus x, or I can write it x minus 1. X minus 1. Okay, so we have now complete the Venn diagram. Now let us find the value of x. And so we have to add all of this. Okay. Let's make it darker. Okay, so x minus 1. Okay, now it's plus 61 minus x plus x minus 9 plus 54 minus x. Okay, I'm going to write it here. Plus x plus 34 minus x plus x minus 10. Okay, don't forget, this one is included. Plus 18 equals 172. Because there are 172 people in this survey. Okay, so let us cancel first all the 0. Okay, so we have positive x, we have negative x, so 0. We have positive x, negative x, so 0. We have positive x, negative x, 0. So we have now only one variable x here. So x minus 1 plus 61 minus 9 plus 54 plus 34 minus 10 plus 18 equals 172. So x, okay, let's try. Okay, negative 1 plus 61 minus 9 plus 54 plus 34 minus 10 plus 18 equals plus 147 equals 172. So x equals 172 minus 147 is 25. So now, if you can see our Venn diagram, yes, we are correct. So 25. Okay, so now you can complete the rest of the Venn diagram. Okay, so always make sure that your Venn diagram is correct. Okay, so thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone. Bye.